What's up? This is Jam bringing you another locking tutorial, and in this video we're going to be going over the Witch Away. The Witch Away is one of the most advanced locking moves there is. It's extremely dynamic and extremely physically demanding, so make sure you guys stretch out and let's get into it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Originally this move came from actually Damita Freeman, and she called it the DJ Witch Away. Fluky Luke took that move and made it his own way, which is now what the Witch Away is, and that's the history of it from what I've learned. So jumping into the technique of it, first I'm going to show you the basic version, the basic version of the Witch Away. Then I'm going to show you the full version and then a variation at the very end, okay? So stay tuned. First, we're going to grab our reins like this. Ha! Grabbing our reins just like this. Our leg is going to go up, and we're going to step it down like this, okay? So this is the basic version. Leg goes up, steps down, okay? Now at the same time, it's as if your leg is going to kick the other foot out of the way, okay? So I'm here, I come up and go hit, just like that, okay? Grabbing the reins, leg comes up, I go down. Now from here, I'm going to turn and lift that leg up, and now I'm ready to do it on the other side. From here we go down, okay? So a little bit quicker with some tempo, it goes like this. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, just like that.
Come on.
So now that you guys understand the basic motion of the Witch Away, we're gonna get into the real variation, which adds the swinging of the legs, okay? So from here, we're coming back, grabbing our reins. We're gonna lift up here. Now, instead of this foot dropping down like this, what you're going to do is you're going to swing it out like this, okay? So it's almost like you're riding a bike, yeah? You're pedaling this foot down. Then again, when this comes here, you're going to switch and come up. Then on this side, same thing, kicks out and down, switch, okay? With a little bit of tempo, it goes like this. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on.
This is a variation of the Witch Away. Still a Witch Away, it's just the swinging of the hips and the legs is just a little bit different, okay? And this version, I picked up really watching Hilti and Bosch and a lot of the Japanese lockers and the way that they would do the Witch Away. So I kind of credit this to them and their style. So with this Witch Away, what you're going to do, instead of lifting up, scooping down, okay? Your leg is actually going to whip around, okay? So you're gonna lift your leg up like this, up and kick, and down, okay? So this knee's not coming up anymore and swinging down. You're going to be whipping around like this, ha, okay? So slowly, I lift my leg up, whip it around, down, up and down, up and down, okay? What helps me when I do this is I think like I'm trying to kick my butt like this. So I'll hit and turn, down, hit and turn, down, okay? With a little bit of tempo, we're gonna start from here on 1, 7, 8, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that.
Come on.
so much for checking out this short locking tutorial. This is a move that's one of my favorites, and I hope you learned something. And if you did, please smash that like button for me. It really, really helps out my channel. And please leave a comment and let me know how you like to do the Witch Away. What's your favorite variation? And if there's any other videos that you'd like me to put out, let me know in the comments. As always, shout out to the Drop Dance Studio for hosting this tutorial. And please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell icon so you always get notified when I put out a new tutorial. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Nope. Hold on.